Welcome to this special masterclass. My name is Egide Prosper. I'm a digital marketer. I'm also a cryptocurrency trader. So this video is a review, also the summary of my Zoom class which I made, and the link is on the description box of this video now. So before I proceed, if you have not watched that video, you can go back and watch it. The link is there on the description of this video. Then you have full understanding. So I purposely made this video in case you do not understand the first one, then you can watch this one for more understanding. So then without wasting more time, what we are discussing is cryptocurrency. So I started learning cryptocurrency at February 2021, which is this year. I'm making this video now. So then I'm having a lot of knowledge from it, so which I'm teaching now. And I also have a community where I lecture people about cryptocurrency. It's free of charge. You can also check on the description box of this video to join the community on our WhatsApp group. So now let's continue without wasting more time. So now, what is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that you cannot see with your eye, you cannot touch it, but it has values. So let's take, for example, our normal currency, which is our naira, our dollar, euro, all this currency. We can see it, we can touch it, we can feel it. But if in terms of cryptocurrency, it is digital. So when we are measuring that it is a digital currency, it is the kind of currency that we cannot see with our eyes, and we cannot touch it. So everything that happens within the currency is online. It's just like you have a mobile application or your bank mobile application, then you want to buy something, then you are not using cash to pay, or you just use transfer, you're doing transfer. You are not seeing the money, but you have already made payments. So everything is now digital. So that is what cryptocurrency is. It's a digital currency, and it has value and potential. So a very good example of cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. And there is no way we can talk about cryptocurrency without us mentioning about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is the first ever cryptocurrency that was created in far back 2019. So it's 2009. Bitcoin was created far back 2009. So it was first ever cryptocurrency that was created. So that is why everyone knows about Bitcoin. So the other cryptocurrency now we used to hear about, like, can be Ethereum. Ethereum was the second cryptocurrency that was created. Then you can hear about BNB, which is from Binance. Then Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, all these are examples of cryptocurrencies. So when we talk about cryptocurrency, this currency is built on the blockchain technology. So when I'm talking about blockchain is the way that you can record information, in the sense that it cannot be changed. No one can cheat, no one can hack it or change it. So it is a series of ledgers, a block of ledgers that any transaction that is placed, it is verified. So when that transaction is verified and it is saved, no one can change it. So for you to change it, which means you need to go to other computers to go and change it. So which is very impossible, which is impossible for you to change, because you cannot from one computer go to other computer just to change one particular transaction. So it is very impossible. So everything that is built on blockchain is very, very safe and very, very secure. So, and cryptocurrency is built on the blockchain technology. So it is not only cryptocurrency that is built on blockchain. There are many other things that is built on blockchain, like NFT and the rest. But I guess we will discuss about all those ones. So cryptocurrency is built on blockchain technology. And that is why any transaction made on blockchain technology is verified and it can never be changed. So we also have cryptocurrency like it is called altcoins. So if you're hearing of altcoins are the kind of cryptocurrency that are not Bitcoin. So if you hear anything like altcoin, there are cryptocurrency that are not Bitcoin. Example of altcoin are Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tatcoin, then Shiba Inu, ASS, SAN, all these kind of cryptocurrency are altcoin. Since they are not Bitcoin, they are called altcoin. So we also have it known as stable coin. So stable coin are those coins that is stable, does not decrease or increase in value. So it is paired with our normal fiat currency, like the US dollar or euro, or even our Nigerian naira. So let's say, for example, USDT is a stable coin that is paired with USD. So one USDT now is equals to one USD, one US dollar. So another stable coin is BUSD. So BUSD is from Binance. It is paired with $1. So one BUSD is equals to $1. And we still have other stable coin like TASN. TASN is from Arbit Network. So one TASN is equals to 1 Naira. So it is paired with Naira. So the most reason for this stable coin is that if we make profit from cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or all this kind of currency, cryptocurrency that is not stable, then you can withdraw your profit to that stable coin. So if you make your withdrawal to that stable coin, which means you already made profit, it can never go up or go down again. It just becomes stable. So if you withdraw $100 or $500 or $1,000 to that stable coin, it will remain $1,000. It will remain that particular amount you withdraw till the next 100 years. And any time you keep it until you decide to sell it out to a fiat currency, which is our Naira or USD, you can sell it and make use of your money. So, but once it's non stable coin, it cannot increase in value and it cannot decrease in value. So it's just there. So you can also use it to buy other currency like crypto, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, other currency. So if there is no stable coin, you can also withdraw our money. Like you can just sell out your money. So, but with the help of the stable coin, like you can use it to save and become bank of yourself. Like the way we have our bank now, like you can just save your money there, then you can just save your money in the bank, which is not even too safe for us to save money in the bank. But because the kind of money we save in the bank, like if the money is too much, bank can call you on phone to be asking you some kind of questions. But if you save your money in stable coin like USDT, you will be the one, you'll be the control of your money, you'll be your own boss of your money. Nobody will know the kind of amount of money you have in your wallet because it is just there in your wallet, maybe in your phone or your PC. So no one knows the kind of money you have. So, but if you not have stable coin, not save money in your stable coin, any profit you just made, you can just sell it out to normal fiat currency and use your money to do whatever you want to use it for. So, example of cryptocurrencies are what I just mentioned: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tatcoin, BNB, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and the rest. So I mentioned that other coins are not stable because they have stable coins and also have the ones which are not stable. So what causes all these coins not to be stable and what causes them to be volatile? The volatility. It is simply caused by demand and supply. It's just simple economics. When the supply is higher than the demand, the price of that particular asset, that particular currency will decrease, it will fall in value. But when the demand is higher than the supply, so the price will increase. So let's take, for example, you went to a market to buy a basket of tomato. So let's say the basket of tomato, you used to buy it at 5,000 Naira, Nigerian Naira. So it comes to a time, maybe there much supply of tomato in the market at that very day you went to the market. So you used to buy it 5,000 Naira. Then because there are many people selling tomato, so you have to price it a lesser price. You say the person that I'm going to pay you 3,000 Naira or 2,000 Naira. So maybe the person refused to sell it. So you can go to another place, another people, and buy it from them, and they will sell it to you. And it even gets to a time when the person that is selling tomato will be looking for who to buy the tomato at a cheaper price, even lesser than what you ask him to sell to you. So it can also happen another way in the sense that you went to a market to buy tomato and there is much demand of tomato and there is no supply of tomato. Let's say, for example, only 3 people are selling tomato in a big market. Only 3 people are selling tomato and happens to be at Xmas period when everyone wants to make stew, to cook stew, then everyone needs tomato, buy tomato. It happens to be that it's only 3 people that are selling tomato in the market. So the smartphone used to buy 5,000 naira before. It will increase automatically because there is no supply, there's no much supply, but there is much demand. They'll be telling you that for you to have this tomato, you pay me 7,000 naira or 10,000 naira. So since you don't have choice and you need the tomato, you definitely pay for it. You will pay for the tomato, then you have the tomato. So that is the same thing applies to cryptocurrency. Let's say, for example, in cryptocurrency, I want maybe 5 people now wants to sell their coin. They sell order. I have 100 Bitcoin. Then other people have 100 Bitcoin. Like 5 people now have 100 Bitcoin, and they wants to sell it. Everybody set price and sell order. Then you notice that the price of it will affect the price of cryptocurrency, the price of Bitcoin in the world. It will affect it. But in another way, it says that he wants to buy, 100 Bitcoin. And everybody, other people wants to buy 100 Bitcoin. Maybe we have 5 in number, wants to buy 100 Bitcoin, and we set an order that wants to buy 100 Bitcoin. You see that since the quantity has the demand is higher than the supply now, then the price of the Bitcoin will increase automatically. So when the supply is higher than the demand, the price will reduce. But when the demand is higher than the supply, the price will increase. That is just the logic behind the cryptocurrency. I also want to understand cryptocurrency, that cryptocurrency is limited in value, because in our normal currency like the Naira or the US dollar, let's say the US dollar now, like they can decide to print it, or our Nigerian Naira, government can decide to print it. But if it was cryptocurrency, it has the maximum supply. It has the maximum supply because Bitcoin now was only 21 million Bitcoin that was created in the world. And till now, no one can come out and create another Bitcoin and say this is 22 million. It can never happen. So it has a maximum supply. So that is what, because when the maximum supply, when it is the time that this supply now has already circulated in the market, so it becomes scarce. So this scarcity now will also increasing the price of this cryptocurrency in the market. But if it comes to normal fiat currency, if there is no much currency, then they can also decide to print Naira or to print dollar, because government central bank can decide to do that. But in cryptocurrency, once they have provided cryptocurrency or that particular token, it has a maximum supply and you cannot print it again or do it the same way you do normal cryptocurrency. So that is what also increase the value of this cryptocurrency. So if you are gaining value from this video, I want you to just hit on the like button and also hit on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel, so that anytime I release new video, then you will be notified and watch the video. Well, according to what I say, I'm having a community where I'm building, is on the description box. Then we can post new video on the group. Then we can hold our Zoom class every two times in a week on the community. So let's continue. So why should we trade, hold, or invest in cryptocurrency? But I want everyone to understand cryptocurrency is the future. It's the future of money. So there's no way you can live the future. That is just it. If you can remember there's a time when in our country, Nigeria, the coin was used as a currency. Maybe you wants to buy something, just use coin, you can hold it, you'll be making noise in your pocket. Then gold and silver is also used as a currency, coin used as a currency, even normal paper is its old currency. All these kind of currencies that they are no longer available now, we can no longer use them anymore. They have already expired. So the same way our currency we are seeing now will also expired. So there'll be a time when everything you have been seeing will become cryptocurrency. Even for you to buy just a bottle of water, you need to pay with cryptocurrency. So it is the future. It is the future of money. So you can use cryptocurrency for any transaction you want. You can use it to buy goods and services. You can use it to pay workers in some developed countries. So it is not like Nigeria when the central bank will be banning cryptocurrency and all these kind of things. Cryptocurrency is the future, and we cannot cheat the future. So everyone needs to get involved in cryptocurrency. And one major reason I want everyone to know our cryptocurrency is because it is a store of value. You can make money from cryptocurrency. So let's say the way you can make money from cryptocurrency is through holding your cryptocurrency. So when Bitcoin started, when Bitcoin was created far back in 2009, so Bitcoin was below $1. Now, let's say, for example, you have the opportunity to buy Bitcoin with the rate of $1. Let's say you have $100. Then, which means you can buy 100 Bitcoin, more than 100 Bitcoin if you have $100, because Bitcoin is below $1 then. So you can buy more than 100 Bitcoin. And now with the current market price, now I'm recording this video now, the price of Bitcoin is $54,000. Okay, yes, $55,000 now. Current market price now $55,000. So if as me you buy 100 Bitcoin with just $100 then, or more than 100 Bitcoin with $100, now you just think of the kind of money you are making now, because one Bitcoin now is $54,000. Because you hold it in your wallet, you do not sell it, you leave it, and it appreciates to $54,000. Calculate $54,000 times 100. So you know the kind of amount you have now. You have become a millionaire. You have become a millionaire in dollars. So Bitcoin is a store of value. It's a very store of value. And Bitcoin now can make you money in several ways. You can hold it and make money. Then you can also trade Bitcoin and make money. If I'm talking about, it's not only Bitcoin, it's other cryptocurrency too. They are serving as a store of value where you hold and make a lot of money. And also, you can also trade them with other kind of currencies together and make money. The same way we trade forex. You can trade cryptocurrency. But before you trade cryptocurrency, you have to know the basics. You have to understand fundamental and technical analysis. So, but on this channel, we should be talking about all this fundamental and technical analysis. I'll take my time and explain each other and explain everything one after the other. We are not rushing. We're going to take it gradually. Just be updated, just be following the channel. Then anytime I this video, you get notified and we have everything you want. So you can make money trading cryptocurrency, trading in the same way we trade forex and stock. And you can also make money trading peer-to-peer, because there are different kinds of trading. You trade peer-to-peer. Let's take, for example, like our country, Nigeria, they have banned cryptocurrency that you cannot use to trade cryptocurrency with bank. So which means you cannot, anything like cryptocurrency, you cannot relate it to bank. Yes, you cannot sell to bank and you cannot buy using your credit card or your debit card. So if you want to buy now, since you're in our country now, Nigeria, you have to use peer-to-peer to buy. So peer-to-peer simply means that, for example, now I'm buying Bitcoin. Then you want to buy, and I'm buying, I'm selling, I'm a vendor, I'm selling. Then you can buy from me, you sell your money to me, then I'll send Bitcoin to your wallet. That is peer-to-peer. So, but because of people that is doing fraud and other things, so the trust is not there. So an exchange like Binance, Trader, KuCoin, and other exchanges, they are now bringing a very secure place where we can trade within ourselves peer-to-peer. They are now serving as a middleman, which are called escrows. Then if you want to sell buy a coin, then I want to sell, I'll go to the person and advertise that I want to sell a coin. I want to sell Bitcoin, or I want to sell Ethereum, or I want to sell BNB. Then I advertise it there. So anytime you want to buy, you will go there and click on buy. So if you click on buy, so the company like Binance now or Trader will hold my coin. The escrow of the company will hold my coin. So if they hold the coin, then you will be the one to transfer money to my bank account. So immediately you transfer the money to my bank account, then you go back to that same place and click on paid. I have made payments. So once you click on paid or transferred, so they will hold the coin. Then they will notify me that the seller, that someone just made payment to your bank account. Check, confirm, and release coins to him or her. Then I will check. Once I receive the money, then I'll go and click on release. So the coin will be transferred to your wallet automatically. So that is the best way that we can trade Bitcoin and other cryptocurrency in our country, Nigeria, since they have banned us from trading to or selling or buying from bank account. So that is another way. And there's also a way that you can make money trading from this peer-to-peer. So which I'll also teach us in this channel. So in this channel, just follow. I'll also teach you every way you can make money, because I've been making passive income from trading peer-to-peer. I'm also making passive income from trading, sports trading, and also future trading. Though, but it is not that easy, but you can understand it. You can understand it with time. It's not that easy. So here are some ways. You can also make money from staking. If you're talking about staking, like you will stake your cryptocurrency. For example, now you have BNB, which is Binance Coin. You can go to Binance Vote and stake your BNB. Then Binance will give you some percentage, let me say for a period of 6 months or a period of 1 year. Like this company, Arbit Network, they have a coin which is called StartCoin. So this StartCoin, you can stake it from their Arbit Trader application, or you can also trade it. You can also stake the coin from that decentralized exchange called TapSwap. Like me now, I stake my own on TapSwap, and I'm earning a reward token which is called TST, And that token now is also valued. It's also higher than value of TapScoin. So you can also be using your coin, your cryptocurrency that you have. You can be using it to make more money for you. So instead of just buying it and leaving it in your wallet for the price to increase, you can be holding it in your wallet and also be using it to make more money. So that is the other way you can earn. So this is just the introduction class. Then I also settle down to create more video to understand this, to discuss about this staking and discuss about trading peer-to-peer, discuss about fundamental analysis, discuss about technical, and also whereas holding. I'll also create time to do that. So like the way I say to buy your cryptocurrency is just peer-to-peer. Then if you're in other country like not Nigeria, US, Ghana, Sierra Leone, other African countries, then you can make use of your card, your Visa card, or your MasterCard, or your credit cards or your debit cards to buy. So you can also use peer-to-peer to trade cryptocurrency. So if you have any question regarding to this cryptocurrency, then you can also ask in the comment section that I will answer you. You can also make sure you click on the link below at the description box of this video then to join our community, where we discuss together things about cryptocurrency, building wealth, then about metaverse, NFTs, and many more. Even arbitrage, dollar arbitrage, buy and sell dollar, buy low and sell high, and make a lot of money. You can be discussing all these things in our community. So just hit on the link below and subscribe to this channel. Also like this video and you can share it. Thank you very much. If the video you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.